Starting around 05 November 2023, stepn certainly is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in actually quite most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely huge. GMT explicitly has a kind of especially complete market cap of $183,542,011, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,174,964 in an essentially large manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. This most certainly essentially makes stepn, GMT, most certainly positioning at 136 in the digital money market in a genuinely large manner in a significant way. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the stepn cost forecast finish of 2023, what will stepn fundamentally be for the most part worth in 2023 in a really lovely significant manner, or so they thought? Is stepn an essentially wise speculation or sort of lovely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they for the most part thought? Will GMT cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled high, which generally basically is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner? These are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2023, as per the stepn figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT value sort of is supposed to explicitly cross an exceptionally normal value level of 25 cents, the normal sort of least value worth of stepn, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to fundamentally be 24 cents, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking, which is genuinely huge. Besides, GMT can sort of arrive at a very greatest value level of 26 cents in a significant manner. GMT value conjecture August 2023, concerning August 2023, stepn certainly basically is supposed to explicitly by and large arrive at a for the most part least value worth of 20 cents. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a pretty by and large greatest cost of 22 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost around 22 cents, or so they generally most certainly thought. GMT value figure September 2023, concerning September 2023, stepn generally is supposed to in a real sense, sort of arrive at a really least value worth of 21 cents, incredibly. The GMT cost could basically arrive at a greatest cost of 23 cents, with the in every way that really matters, exceptionally normal cost around 22 cents, which essentially is very critical. GMT value gauge October 2023, the stepn estimate for October 2023 expects that the GMT may fundamentally arrive at a most extreme worth of 24 cents, with a really least cost of around 22 cents, in a sort of significant manner. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value GMT can basically stretch around 23 cents for October, which most certainly is very huge, which is genuinely critical. stepn, GMT, value estimate November 2023, for November 2023, the cost of stepn in a real sense certainly is really anticipated to generally for the most part arrive at a kind of sort of normal cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of 25 cents and an especially truly least of 23 cents in a kind of especially large manner. stepn value estimate December 2023, the exceptionally normal cost of stepn, GMT, could explicitly go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023 in a very beautiful significant manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. GMT could be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of 26 cents, with the exceptionally least expected cost of 24 cents, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. stepn for the most part past value examination in the actually certainly beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been diminished by 0.91% in its extremely current worth, showing how starting around 05 November 2023 stepn in every practical sense is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in genuinely sort of most recent 60 minutes. Which truly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that we generally look at the truly current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap most certainly basically is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. STPN by and large in every practical sense is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, showing how stepn truly passed value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto actually especially has been really diminished by 0.91% in its in every way that really matters current worth. Showing how starting around 05 November 2023 STPN for the most part is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in decently kind of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. The GMT generally is down to nearly 3.37% in the very most recent 7 days, so the GMT cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of 22 cents, with the typical cost around 22 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past essentially couple of days. The coin could fundamentally basically have especially soared areas of strength for of at the same time. We don't explicitly in a real sense feel that it would a productive resource and essentially transient in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT explicitly diminished by 61.690%, wiping out an astounding pretty especially normal amount of 25 cents from its in every practical sense, really current worth. Certainly further appearance how starting around 05 November 2023 STPN in a real sense is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin fundamentally certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can all things considered be an excellent generally purchase and open door for fast interest in an unpretentious manner, which generally is very critical. The 90 days cost change truly is near 73.22%, and the cost in every practical sense coursed from a very least by and large normal cost of 51 cents to pretty greatest genuinely normal cost of 59 cents in the especially essentially beyond 90 days in a for the most part enormous manner, or so they sort of thought. STPN sort of truly is somewhere near 40.03% with the by and large exceptionally most extreme pretty typical cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 29 cents and the kind of least kind of normal cost of sort of was around 28 cents in kind of beyond 4 months in a kind of huge manner. STPN value conjecture 2023 facts. What will sort of be STPN all things considered, especially worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? The GMT cost explicitly in a real sense is estimated to basically arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 26 cents, with especially in every way that really matters, least cost of 24 cents toward the finish of 2023, showing how this in a real sense makes STPN, GMT, pretty essentially positioning at 136 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. Does STPN truly have a future in a pretty truly significant manner? As far as value, STPN truly has an extraordinary exceptionally potential to by and large arrive at new levels,